Hello, everyone. Find page 21. We're going to learn about the U. Are you ready? Okay, friends. Like Magic C said, we're going to learn the U, a very easy letter. You're just going to go down, travel, and back up, bump. Back down, bump. So come down, you travel, up, bump, back down, bump. And with the uppercase U, you're just ending on the up. So down, travel means come across the line a little bit, and up, down, travel, drive on the line, back up, down, travel, back up. If it looks good, give me a check. Lowercase u, you have to come back down. So down, travel, up, bump. Don't go over that line. Back down, bump. Down, travel, up, bump, down, bump. Down, travel, up, bump, down, bump. You're like a little bumper car. Okay? Then like some of those other pages, you're just adding letters to make words. So in this column, you're adding UT. In this column, you're adding UST. In this column, you're adding UG. And in the last one, you're adding OUT. When you're done writing, friends, practice reading those words. So for example, I'll start with this column. I'm going down, up, bump, down, bump. My T comes down and I cross it. I use a little big. You know what? And this is my time to practice good handwriting. So let me make sure that bumps the line. Bump, up, and down. They're much better, okay? And then again, down, up, bump, down, bump, and another T. Once you're done, again, read the words. But, shut, put. Move on to the next column. Finish the page.